Hello everybody. In today's video, I will show you how to change calories on Myfitnesspal. So first you need to have Myfitnesspal on your smartphone. So go to your smartphone store, which is the App Store for the iPhone users or the Play Store for the Android users. Then search for Myfitnesspal. Just type Myfitnesspal on the search bar and you will find this application. Then click on download or install if you have the Android. Now we will access to the application. If it's your first time, you will need to log in with an account. If you don't have one, just create a new one or just sign up with Facebook to have it easy on you. Now, to change calories, we should go to the more option or to the more icon here in the menu, and we will go to the goals. Now we will go to the goals or as you can see, there is three section of goals: the weight goals, nutrition goals, and fitness goals. We should go to the calories, carbs, and protein and fat goals, and here we will find our calories goal. So I'm going to choose it. So let's, for example, do like this. And as you can see, now I changed my calories and my goals. Now you can also change the amount of the macronutrients which compose these calories. Also, if you have the premium version of the application, you can just have them with the grams and not with percentage. But it's not a big deal. Now I showed you how to change your calories on MyFitnessPal. Thank you for watching and goodbye.